What are the benefits sanitizing your home or workplace can have on your health? An unclean environment is full of germs and diseases. It is necessary to prevent the spread of such harmful bacteria or germs for the safety and health of your staff and family. Some major health benefits of sanitizing your home and office are listed below. 1. A healthier family and staff. A sanitized and clean environment means a healthy staff and family. A sanitized environment saves your employees and family from diseases and allergies. 2. A good first impression. First impression is the last impression is a quote that applies everywhere, be it at the home, office, or club. An unclean and tidy home or office is never a welcoming place for the visitors at your home or clients at your office. Nobody loves to visit such places again. Make a good first impression by having a clean and sanitized workplace and home. 3. Reducing stress. Visual clutter leads to mental clutter. Living in an unclean and tidy environment ultimately increases the stress level. Such places are always a source of frustration to you. A carefully sanitized environment not only reduces stress mentally but also becomes a place to relax for peace of mind. 4. Increases productivity. A carefully sanitized environment is the first key to success in business. Your staff feels focused and energetic, the perfect combination for increasing productivity. An unclean environment is a source of distraction and frustration, which is not good for your health and business. Therefore, we should prioritize the cleanliness and sanitization in our offices and workplaces. A clean home and office make you more productive and active, both physically and mentally. AEG Cleaning Services can assist you by completing a full or part sanitizing services. For more details on this service and a quote, you can either email us at www.aegcleaning.co.uk or call at 020799831113.